In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSL certificate in Godaddy. Whether you're running a personal blog or a business website, securing your data and protecting your visitors is crucial, and an SSL certificate is a fundamental part of that. It encrypts the data sent between users and your website, preventing any third party from stealing sensitive information. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, making sure everything is set perfectly for a secure browsing experience on your site. First things first, you want to log into your Godaddy account. Simply head over to the Godaddy website, employ your login credentials, and access your account dashboard. If you have multiple domains, look for the My Products section, where you can select the specific domain you want to secure. Once you're there, the next step is to purchase an SSL certificate if you haven't done so already. Under the SSL Certificates section, you will see an option to add a new certificate. Select this and choose the type of SSL certificate you wish to buy, depending on your needs and preferences. Godaddy offers several types of SSL certificates, including standard, wildcard, and even multi-domain SSLs. Choose the one that best fits your website's requirements. After purchasing the SSL certificate, you need to activate it. Go to your Godaddy account and once again look under the SSL Certificates section. Find your newly purchased SSL certificate. Next to it, you'll see an option labeled Setup. Click on this, and a prompt will appear asking for some information about your website and server. Fill in these details carefully. You might need a bit of help from your hosting provider to get the specifics, especially the server type. Following this, you'll need to verify domain ownership. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the certificate is being installed by someone who actually owns the domain. Godaddy will offer several methods to verify your ownership, like uploading a verification file to your server, adding a DNS record, or verifying via email. Choose the method that suits you best and complete the necessary actions. Once verified, you can now download your SSL certificate from Godaddy. Access the SSL Certificates section again, locate your verified certificate, and download it. This will give you a zip file. Extract it to find your primary certificate file, which you will need for installation. The final step is to install the SSL certificate on your website hosting panel. This might vary slightly depending on where your site is hosted, but generally, you'll go to your hosting dashboard, find the SSL or security section, and upload both the primary certificate and the private key files. Some platforms have an auto-install feature if Godaddy is your host. And there you have it. With these steps, your website should now have SSL protection, offering encrypted communication for your users and that all-important padlock on the address bar for peace of mind. Make sure to test your website to ensure everything is working smoothly, and congratulations on adding an SSL certificate to your Godaddy domain.